welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruth, and if it's your first time here, I do lifestyle video and sometimes I share my own experience as a foreigner living here in Germany. On today's videos, guys, as you can see from the title, I'm going to give you a mini bedroom tour. We've been living in this apartment for less than a year, like almost 1 year. It's not yet a year, it's almost 1 year, and I've been trying to put everything together and I feel like it's there. I tried as much as possible not to have so many things in the room, but you guys, when it comes to the color, and I didn't know I'm a gray person, but it automatically turned out to be gray and white. Most of the stuff are gray and white, and I decided to add some gold accent in it. So guys, let me give you that tour. Here in the first thing that you're going to see when you enter into the room is this bedside drawer. As you can see, it's typical IKEA drawer. I got it from IKEA a few months ago. And then I have this candle that smells so good. I just feel like it's perfect. I got it from TK Maxx. And then I have this artificial flower with the vase. Everything came like this. I got it from TK Maxx as well. So as you can see, guys, our bed came with this lamp, so we don't need an extra lamp here on our side table, which is just perfect, especially if you have a small baby and you don't want to switch on the full light. It's just perfect. So the next thing, the bed is going to be the last part that I'm going to show you guys. So we're going to move on to the art. I got this art from Amazon. So I ordered the frames from Amazon, and then I got the portrait itself, or the picture itself, also from Amazon, and then I had to attach everything together, and the results were just amazing. I just love the accent colors. I only have 2 pictures. I feel like the space needs another picture, but I'm not sure. Let me know, guys, what you guys think. But I feel like I should add another art in the middle there. Not sure. Moving on to this wall, I have this art. If you know my old apartment, guys, you know that I've always been having this art. I got this piece of art from a friend of mine, Doris, Mama Christoph. For those who know Christoph, guys, I got this frame from her. This art from her, and I love it. I don't know where this place is or the meaning of this art, but I just love it. And the gold accent, as you can see, the others, they also have this gold accent, and I feel like this one with the gold, it was perfect with the room. And this is actually the biggest wall, but I feel like the picture is big enough and I don't have to have like 50 other pictures. So this is just perfect. Moving on to this corner, guys, let me start with the big thing here. The big giant, guys, that you can see here. This was our living room TV, but we had an accident and it has a big scratch, so we had to move the TV that was here. We moved it into our living area and we got the TV from the living area here. It's nice. We can listen to some music or maybe watch a movie. For me, it's still okay as long as it's not totally damaged. Next, we're going to move to this sideboard. This sideboard is also typical IKEA sideboard or IKEA sideboard. I bought it together with the side table, and I feel like it's spacious and I can put some stuff for my baby. And then I have this vase that I got from Primark. It was actually very affordable. It was going for less than €5, and I grabbed 2 of them. You're going to see the other one in the video. And then I have these dry flowers For those who know me, guys, I can't keep up with the normal flowers. I don't know why they end up drying up, and that's why I choose to go with the dried ones. So I have these ones. Some of them are real and some of them are just artificial. This is something that I just combined from a dollar shop, €1 shop, those who are in Germany. And the vase here, I got it from Amazon. I think I shared that in my living room tour where I got the vase from. And by the way, guys, everything you're going to see in this video, I'm going to link everything on my description box. So if you're interested, you can grab it there. And I just feel like the combination is just nice. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm going with like nude, not so bright or dark colors, and I feel like it's perfect. Like the pink here is so nice. And then this is our DVD when we want to watch some movies. Like currently we are watching Game of Thrones, and it's just perfect. To the curtains and the curtain rods. The curtain rods, I got them from IKEA. And then the curtains, I got them as well from IKEA. This one is dark and this one is in beige. I feel like the combination of beige on gray, it's just perfect. And this one was actually for the living room, but for those who have watched my living room tour, they know that I don't have the curtains, I just have the shears. They are also from IKEA. And these ties, I got them from Amazon. They are very affordable, and I feel like they also look perfect because it's gray on beige. And then moving down here, I have some few decors. I have like dried flowers, and the vase, I got it from Amazon, and I just feel like it's perfect for the season because we are in autumn. And moving on to the other side, this is the other vase that I was talking about. As you can see, I've just added some few artificial flowers, and I feel because the the shears are always closed, like it's just perfect. As you can see, guys, I have a baby bed or a baby cot in this room. For those who don't know, we have a 8-month-old baby, and she still sleeps here in our bedroom. So I'm just going to show you the way it is. It's just a simple bed, but I've tried to make it more nice with some pillows. I got these throw pillows, guys, from TK Maxx, and I just love the combination because in the room we have some gold, we have some mustard, so this is the combi. She has a teddy that I got from employer, and this is just a throw blanket. Before I was using it for her bed, but I feel like it's perfect for her bed, and it's just simple. So moving on to the next part, we have this wall-to-wall mirror closet. I don't know if I can capture it well, but as you can see me through the mirror on the other side. Yes, guys, and it's actually one of the best things that we ordered for this space, and I feel like it's just perfect, gray and white. Yes, and I just love mirrors. I love the way they make your space look bigger. And yes, guys, next, I'm going to show you our bed. It's a box spring bed. We got this bed from Otto, and I had to do some adjustment, guys. If you watch, I think it's that last video that I posted, I bought some stuff. I'm going to put the link somewhere here because I feel like the topper was moving. It was also comfortable, but now it's perfect. I got the pillows and the pillowcases from Amazon, And as I told you guys earlier, it came with like lights here. Like you don't need extra lamps. And guys, the blanket, I got it from a Turkey shop here in Hamburg or somewhere near in Hamburg. Like me, I just saw it and I fell in love, and the color is just perfect. It came actually with 2 pillows, which I don't have now. And I just love it. Just even love the design that it has there. Wewe kizungu leo imeenda kwao. So next guys, I'm going to show you our carpet. As you can see, it also has the shades that we have in the room: gray, gold, white, and I just love it. It was actually meant for the sitting area or living room, but it ended up here because it was like matching with the room. So guys, we've come to the end of our mini bedroom tour. I hope you guys like it as much as we enjoy sleeping here. And thank you so much for watching. If you're watching up to this far, you're such a darling. And if you're watching and you've not subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free of charge. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.